Hi, I'm Mark Kroll, Product Manager for Montana Fifth Wheels, and I'm going to demonstrate the quiet, cool air conditioning system that is standard on all Montana and Montana High Country Fifth Wheels. We're inside a 2019 Montana High Country 310RE, and this fifth wheel is equipped with the Dometic Blizzard Quiet Cool Air Conditioner, 15,000 BTUs. Now, for comparison, we're going to use this digital decibel reader to measure how loud the air conditioner is inside the fifth wheel. A typical top-mounted drop-in air conditioner with an exposed cold air return is going to run above 80 decibels. Normal conversation is going to typically run in the mid-60s to low 70 decibels. Let's see how quiet this air conditioner is with it fully running inside the living area of this fifth wheel. Wow, we've got that down below 55 decibels. So a vast improvement over the normal 80 decibels you're going to get on a regular air conditioner, down below quiet conversation levels. So very, very, very quiet air conditioner. That's the reason you see this type of system on almost every luxury motorhome. Now, the other feature I'd like to talk about on this air conditioning system is the standard heat pump. Okay, all Montana High Country and Montana Fifth Wheels are standard with a heat pump built into the main air conditioner. The benefit of that is it provides an alternate heating source to your propane furnace. So the heat pump will work into ambient temperatures outside of about 35 degrees and higher. The way to operate that is from the main thermostat. So instead of setting it to cool, fan, furnace, you'll set it to heat pump, set your desired temperature. It'll take cold air from the outside, heat it up, blow it down through the air conditioner ducts, and warm this fifth wheel. The other beautiful feature on this setup is when the temperature outside drops below 35 degrees, it'll automatically flip over to the furnace. So if you start on a cold evening around 40-45 degrees, the air conditioner will keep the fifth wheel warm. Once the temperature drops below 35 outside and the heat pump can't adequately heat the fifth wheel, it'll automatically signal the furnace to turn on. For more information on Montana and Montana High Country Fifth Wheels, please visit KeystoneRV.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.